today's video lesson on understanding anxiety and coping strategies. In this session, we will explore what anxiety is, its common causes, and effective ways to cope with it. Anxiety is a widespread issue, and I hope this information can be valuable to you or someone you know. Let's start by defining anxiety.
Anxiety is a natural and often adaptive response to stress. It's your body's way of alerting you to potential threats and helping you to stay focused and alert. Anxiety can be described as a feeling of unease, such as fear, worry, or nervousness, often about an imminent event or something with an uncertain outcome. It's important to understand that a certain level of anxiety is normal and can be beneficial.
Anxiety can become problematic when it's chronic, excessive, or irrational. There are several types of anxiety disorders, such as generalized anxiety disorder, social anxiety disorder, and panic disorder. Each comes with its own set of symptoms and triggers. Now, let's explore some common causes of anxiety.
Anxiety can be triggered by various factors, including stressful life events, genetic predisposition, brain chemistry imbalances, trauma or past experiences, medical conditions.
Now, let's shift our focus to coping strategies for managing anxiety.
There are several effective ways to cope with anxiety, and it's essential to find what works best for you. Here are some strategies to consider.
Number 1. Mindfulness and meditation. Regular mindfulness and meditation practices can help you to stay present, reduce racing thoughts, and manage anxiety over time. 2. Exercise. Physical activity releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. Even a short walk can help reduce anxiety. Number 3. Healthy diet. A balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can positively impact your mood and overall mental health. Number 4. Sleep. Ensure you get enough quality sleep. As sleep deprivation can exacerbate anxiety, stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Number 5. Deep breathing and relaxation techniques. Deep breathing techniques like the 4-7-8 method can help calm your mind and reduce the physical symptoms of anxiety, such as a rapid heartbeat and shallow breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, and exhale for 8 seconds. Number 6. Cognitive Behavioral Therapy, also known as CBT. CBT is a widely used therapeutic approach that helps individuals identify and change negative thought patterns that contribute to anxiety. Number 7. Medication. In some cases, medication prescribed by a healthcare professional may be necessary to manage anxiety. Number 8. Lifestyle changes. Incorporating regular exercise, a balanced diet, and sufficient sleep into your daily routine can significantly reduce anxiety. Number 9. Social support. Talking to friends, family, or a therapist can provide valuable emotional support and understanding. In conclusion, anxiety is a common human experience, but when it becomes overwhelming, it's essential to seek help and explore coping strategies. Remember, what works for one person may not work for another, so it's crucial to find the right combination of strategies that suits your needs. If your anxiety is interfering with your daily life, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Therapists and healthcare providers can offer guidance tailored to your specific situation. Thank you for joining me in this video lesson on understanding anxiety and coping strategies. I hope you found this information very helpful. Remember, you're not alone, and there are resources available to support you in managing anxiety. Take care of yourself, and we'll see you in next video lesson.